See, baso. This is the.
That's the beef.
Beef.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is more. Tama, bigyan mo sila ng rice.
The husk and the
Okay.
seed.
Then you
Husk, tama, di
eat
ba?
the meats, not the seeds. I want.
This one to it.
Yes, yes. But what is it? Good. It's sour, huh? And sweet. That's typical Filipinos food. I don't like it. It's too sour. It's sour?
For later.
Kinain, binuksan niyo na yung ano ma? Sampalok. Kinain niya. For later daw ma. You don't need to eat it if you don't like it. Welcome to... At least you try.